Hey YouTube, it's your boy G Miles. Tonight we're back on our video. Tonight we're gonna be showing you how to import your videos slash photos. Let's see to your computer by using your Canon camera or something like that. But instead, I got a Canon camera. So there's an SD card in there. Yeah, if you got some kind of important device, just buy it though. If you see an SD card, I recommend using your memory card from your camera to import it, but I'm going to show you right now. Yeah. And I'm going to keep you updated once I get started though. Hey, I'm back. Let's see, once you're in the computer, well, which is the laptop, all you gotta do now, just get your camera out. But plus besides, it's a Canon camera. Yeah. All you gotta do now, just remove your SD card out like this. If you have an since it's a 32 gigabyte card, since I'm planning to buy a new one, which over 132 gigabytes, but I'm gonna be stuck with this. It's on the side though, Yeah, once you did that, if you do have this SD slot on your laptop, always remember, gotta aim to this though, All you gotta do now, just do like this, which is the back side or something like that. Yeah, do it like this, and there you go. Yeah, once you did that, oh yeah, that's what's gonna look for right here. Yeah, I'm gonna minimize this that way so y'all can see better. Okay, I want you to see you see this right here? Yeah. Just choose anything you want. And better yet, I'm gonna start choosing this. And there you have it. Let's see. You'll see that's how you do it if you see it though, but it can be a little confusing though, but it takes a little practice though, Yeah. But I gotta check and see if I got the right video. So I did a Christmas vlog though. Hey, it's your boy Jim. Yeah, and that's me though. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this off or else I'm gonna get copyrighted for it. Yep, and there you have it now. That's how you do it though. Finna do this, do the same thing, and there you go. That's how you do it. And plus, that's how you import your videos or something like that / photos by seeing this. But use any other device. Let's see one, just as long as you have the SD slot on your laptop or something like that. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated. We'll see once I end the video though, since it's a short tutorial. Hey, I'm back. So yeah, that's all for this tutorial on how to import your videos. See from your camera to your laptop or something like that. So check it out. Sorry for confusing y'all with my sentences. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna be uploading, since I'm not gonna confuse y'all and stuff. Yeah, that's my video right here that I did. Check this out. Yeah, because that's from this SD card right here. Since that's from my camera though. Well, and this too. All right. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Way too. If you're new to the channel, please give a like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell if you get a chance. So yeah. And it's been the boy G Miles. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.